Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Today, we will show you a collection of handmade wooden pet houses and feeders design ideas as gifts or products for passion and income. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In a world increasingly drawn to mass production and fast conveniences, there remains a quiet but powerful shift toward the handmade, the intentional, and the lasting, especially in the realm of pet ownership. Among the most emotionally resonant and practically valued expressions of this movement is the crafting of handmade wooden pet houses and feeders, items that reflect not only the artisan's skills, but also a deeper affection and understanding of pets as cherished family members. These pieces do far more than just serve a function. They tell a story, one carved from care, purpose, and a timeless respect for both creature comfort and natural materials. As the modern pet-loving world grows more discerning and emotionally invested in the lives of their animals, the demand for products that offer both quality and soul has grown exponentially. That's where handmade wooden creations shine with remarkable brilliance. There is an innate beauty in a wooden feeder shaped with smooth edges, sanded to the touch, and built to withstand time. There's a nostalgic familiarity to the grain of reclaimed timber or the warmth of cedar that cradles a sleeping cat or shelters a loyal dog. And every curve, joint, and polish is an expression of the maker's touch, a tangible connection between human hands and an animal's comfort. The artistry behind such items doesn't go unnoticed in today's interior aesthetics either. Pet furniture is no longer confined to functionality. It must also blend seamlessly with the style and mood of the home. Homeowners seek pet houses that match their rustic farmhouse kitchens or Scandinavian living rooms. They look for raised wooden feeders that are ergonomic, easy to clean, and made from sustainable sources, yet beautiful enough to sit next to a dining table without feeling out of place. This intersection of utility and design offers a golden opportunity for woodworkers, whether hobbyists or seasoned artisans, to meet a growing market with creations that matter. It's not just a bowl or a house. It's an intentional choice made by a pet owner to invest in something crafted with heart and to provide their furry companions with the comfort they deserve. But beyond the emotional resonance lies a viable and growing path for income generation. The pet industry continues to be one of the most rapidly expanding global markets, and within it, there's a growing niche of eco-conscious, quality-driven consumers looking for alternatives to plastic, mass-produced products. Handmade wooden pet items are increasingly featured in boutique stores, online marketplaces like Etsy, craft fairs, and local gift shops. They appeal not just because they're beautiful, but because they represent values, sustainability, craftsmanship, and individuality. A handmade pet house, carefully designed and uniquely finished, becomes a gift item that people are proud to give or receive. It's personal, it's lasting, and it carries an authenticity that factory-made items can never truly replicate. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, for many creators, this venture into crafting pet furniture becomes more than just business. It evolves into a passion project, a side hustle with a heart. Making wooden feeders and pet homes allows woodworkers to blend creativity with care, to test out new designs, and to receive direct feedback from a grateful clientele. The learning curve is generous, and the room for experimentation is wide open. Some may begin with basic designs and gradually evolve into custom pieces, crafting monogrammed feeders or themed pet houses that align with customers' lifestyles and preferences. Each sale becomes a celebration not just of earning income, but of connecting with others who value the same things: craftsmanship, love for animals, and thoughtful design. Even from a sustainability standpoint, the beauty of working with wood for pet products is how accessible and environmentally responsible it can be. Many pet house builders choose to work with reclaimed or responsibly sourced lumber, giving second life to old wood while reducing waste. Offcuts and scrap would become small feeders or toys. Nothing is truly wasted. In this way, each handmade piece becomes part of a sustainable loop, good for the pet, beautiful in the home, and responsible for the planet. And this eco-minded approach resonates strongly with the values of today's consumers, especially younger generations who prioritize ethics in their purchasing habits. There's also a therapeutic, soul-nourishing rhythm to making these items that shouldn't be overlooked. The deliberate pacing of hand tools, the scent of freshly sanded pine, the satisfaction of completing a piece that brings joy to both pet and owner, all of it contributes to a deeper sense of purpose for the woodworker. It's a form of artistry grounded in utility, but elevated by intention. It allows for slow, meaningful production in a world that often demands speed and volume. And that authenticity, visible in every hand-cut angle and carefully chosen finish, is exactly what makes the product and the process so valuable. As we look to the future, this blend of passion, purpose, and profit only grows more relevant. Handmade wooden pet houses and feeders are not a fleeting trend. They are a response to a growing awareness of what really matters: comfort, quality, sustainability, and meaningful human-animal connection. For woodworkers seeking to build a business, this niche offers an honest, rewarding pathway. For those crafting with love in their garage workshops or weekend sheds, it presents a way to connect with the broader world while staying rooted in what they love. Whether it's a raised bowl stand that aids an aging dog's digestion, or a cozy wooden hideaway for a beloved cat, each creation stands as proof that woodworking is far more than cutting and joining. It's a celebration of care, skill, and a shared life with the creatures we hold dear. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked handmade wooden pet houses and feeders design ideas as gifts or products for passion and income. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.